Hi, and welcome to RedTrack Unlock onboarding videos. Today we will show you how to connect RedTrack and WooCommerce backend. It builds upon all the previous videos and probably should watch it after you have checked how to add RedTrack web property to RedTrack. So let's proceed to RedTrack account, go to website, open our WooCommerce demo website. Doesn't matter because it's just a name for convenience, but we're doing a video about WooCommerce. So we have WooCommerce site, edit and open. We actually have WooCommerce, very fresh WooCommerce setup, just to show you how it's done. And what we're going to do is, first we proceed to scripts. We scroll down and we pick up the script for WooCommerce. Of course, we have all the instructions in the knowledge base, but the setup is very simple. So first, we need to download the plugin before we can upload something. So, save as. It will save into downloads. So, okay, cancel. Let's click the link. And we will download the file. We downloaded our plugin. Good. That's part done. Now, next one, we also need to copy the script. Everything is pre-built for you here, no need to change anything, but let's first install the plugin and then open the plugin and insert the universal tracking script. So we are in WooCommerce. We go to the plugins, add new, upload plugin. We upload the plugin, install now. Well, let's activate the plugin. And here we go, settings. So what we need to do is to copy the script into this plugin and save changes. Congrats, you have added RedTrack WooCommerce plugin into WooCommerce website. The tracking is set up and ready, and now you can add your different ad networks, set up tracking campaigns, and there are multiple videos in the checklist about how to do that. Thank you for watching. This was RedTrack. We were adding up conversion tracking to WooCommerce website with RedTrack WooCommerce plugin and universal tracking script.